The Land Rover Defender has long been a symbol of ruggedness, adventure, and off-road capability. From muddy trails in the African bush to Rocky Mountain passes, it's carved out a reputation as one of the most iconic 4x4s in the world. But with the launch of the modern Defender, some purists feel something essential has been lost: its raw, utilitarian soul. While the new Defender is undoubtedly a marvel of modern engineering, combining luxury with off-road chops, many enthusiasts yearn for the analog simplicity and mechanical grit of the original. Enter Legacy Overland, a company that's built its name on bringing classic Defenders back to life and in style. Their latest project is nothing short of jaw-dropping, a 1987 Land Rover Defender 110 that has been fully rebuilt from the ground up. What once was a rusted-out relic of the past has been transformed into a meticulously crafted Restomod that arguably outshines anything you'll find in a Land Rover showroom today. When Legacy Overland got their hands on this Defender, it was barely hanging on. Covered in rust and far from roadworthy, it needed a complete overhaul. The restoration began with a total disassembly. Every piece was examined, every part either restored or replaced. The chassis was rebuilt, and brand new body panels were fitted to bring this beast back to life. The exterior is now finished in a stunning moorland gray-blue metallic, a color that blends classic appeal with modern sophistication. Sitting on 18-inch wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, this Defender looks ready to tackle the wild or steal the spotlight at a car show. Under the hood, Legacy has rebuilt the original Land Rover 300 TDI diesel engine, pairing it with a reworked ZF 4-speed automatic transmission. Both front and rear differentials have been redone for optimal off-road performance. The suspension is entirely new, as are the modern brakes, ensuring that while this truck looks old school, it handles like a dream. Inside, the transformation continues. Gone is the bare-bones interior of old Defenders. In its place, heated front seats, a reupholstered rear bench, and a cabin finished in luxurious black leather. Even the dashboard and center console have been upgraded, giving the interior a refined yet rugged feel. Legacy Overland didn't stop there. They've also installed a modern Sony double-din infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, a high-end audio setup, bright red gauges, and all-new switchgear. It's an environment that respects the past while embracing today's technology. But perhaps what makes this build truly special is its ability to strike a rare and beautiful balance. It preserves the raw, mechanical feel of the original Defender, the kind that makes you learn how to drive off-road, not just let the car do it for you. You still get the fun of modulating your throttle, steering through tight trails, and feeling every bump. At the same time, you enjoy just enough comfort to make the experience more enjoyable rather than punishing. While the new Defender is loaded with advanced tech, sensors, and traction systems, the Legacy Overland Restomod offers something many modern SUVs can't: soul. It invites you to connect with the machine, the trail, and the journey. So before you head to the dealership to buy a brand new Defender, you might want to take a look at what Legacy Overland has done here. Because in many ways, this classic rebuild isn't just an homage to the past, it's a better, more authentic Defender for the modern world.